Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your Snapcode in Snapchat using an iPhone. To do so, first of all, you need to be in your app library, then tap on the Snapchat option. Now, as you're in the Snapchat option, go to your profile. And now, right beside your username over here, you can see this code. Tap on it. Now, this is your snap code. You can either change this just a selfie if you want to change your snap code, or if you want to really change the color and do different things to it, then you can download any photo editing app such as maybe Photoshop or PixArt, and save the snap code to your camera roll and edit it however you like. And that way you can change your snap code in any way that you would prefer. So guys, this is how you change your snap code in Snapchat using an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, and if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.